But don't we have infinite grounds for telling how to take a thing? And are not these grounds like rooms leading to an inner sanctum, moving toward more detail but a more concentrated pattern of understanding? As finite creatures, we may not be aware of any of these grounds, but that does not mean the grounds are not there. For example, to know how to take the notion plus, we have the simple notion and the algorithm presented to us. Then we can look in the world of arithmetic. For the ground. We see subtraction and addition, realize the two are in reality the same thing, and take them as helpful notions for intuiting a ground. There is also the notion of counting, where undoubtedly the idea for the meaning of plus came from. We find a way to check our notion of plus based on our understanding of counting, and connect the notion with addition and subtraction. We can see that the total count of group A and then of group B must be the same as our count over the two groups. Thus, we count A and B together and get C. Then A plus B equals C. To check, ask, does A equal C minus B? Continuing, we ask, does B equal C minus A? Now it is true that only those who make a study of most any particular thing understand it to any extent. But it is possible to understand its behaviors and properties, even if we can never understand its essence, reason for being, or true nature. In the case of plus, it may not be so much that we don't understand its essence, for that may be the one thing we do understand. Instead, we may not fathom all the context to which it may apply. In general, one cannot fully understand a thing that is known empirically, but one can form an analogy of it that will serve as an intuition.